However, they disagreed so violently over the nature of Christ. Flavian's enemies and their monkish militia believed that Christ existed in a single nature in which the divine dominated. That's why they chose to kill Flavian. They had the same views on scripture, the hierarchy of the church, but they disagreed on Christ's nature. And because of that, they decided to kill Flavian. They felt that by failing to proclaim this truth, by advocating a Christ in two natures, Flavian's party had betrayed the core of Christianity.